Now we'll see the CISA exam patterns. So it has about 150 questions in total for a duration of 4 hours, and the pass score is 450 to 800. And you can attempt at least 4 times per year. So the exam format details include that it is mostly, the question type is mostly multiple choice and scenario and situational based questions. The delivery is usually by PSI test centers, or you can also go for online remote proctoring setups. The language is English, and it can also have other English, but it is predominantly English. The retake policy is basically that you have to wait 30 days after the first fail and 90 days after the second and third. And you can only do like 4 attempts per year. So the score scale is basically you have 200 to 800 scale score. And an exam fee in India as a ISACA member is 50,067 rupees, and as a non-member it is 66,183. So now we'll see the future scope of CISA careers. So why is this certification the best for you? This can be given by the data provided by USVLS project, which tells you that by 2034, this sector will have a job growth of about 29% for InfoSec as well as auditing industries. Also, AI audit is one of the newest frontiers in the job markets. For example, how if CISA 2024 update has basically added AI-driven systems and AI-related questions in their certification, and therefore it is very synchronized to the new AI frontier. And also the regulation is always ever expanding. So GDPR, RBI, SCBI, SOX, as well as ISO 2000, 2701, they all, every new regulation creates new demand for CISA professionals. And then we have a cloud security audit board. So every new company that is digitizing itself and having a cloud migration, it requires a certified auditor. So CISA plus having information about knowledge about cloud is one of the biggest and most lucrative combos right now. It is highly sought after. Then we have global remote IT audit roles. So Indian CISA holders usually can also get hired by UK and US firms, uh, and they can earn in dollar and pounds by staying in India. So it has a really nice remote hiring rate. Then there is also cyber losses, and how cyber losses, huge cyber losses means that more companies will invest a lot in auditing and fraud detection.